Hello everyone, welcome back to Sporaria YouTube channel. Alright guys, so yeah, in this video I would like to share you a tutorial on how to delete apps on Poco M7 Pro. Alright guys, so yeah, for those of you, if you guys have a lot of apps on your cell phone and it's unused apps also, so guys, now you have to delete it because it causes your cell phone to be slowed down and other trouble. And so yeah, to delete apps is very easy. So yeah, without any further ado, now let's get started to the tutorial guys. Alright, the first thing first is now you can find your apps that you want to delete. For example, this one, now you can press and hold and then click uninstall. And the second tips is now you can go to settings menu and then now you can scroll down and go to apps menu, and then after that over here now you can click manage apps and you can choose another apps and click uninstall, and the apps will be deleted forever from your phone. Alright guys, so yeah, here's the tutorial, and then thank you so much for watching.